Hello there, how are you? Welcome back. Well, today I'm going to install these brand new LED taillights on my trailer. Now, as some of you may know, Earl had to go. And why did he have to go? Because he broke the taillights amongst other things on the property. So with that being said, the first thing I had to do with this is get all of the old extension cord mismatched wiring cut off of the frame. And once I got that, it was pretty straightforward. The wire harness is actually color coordinated with the tail light wiring itself. So you can't mess it up. Yellow goes to yellow, brown goes to brown, green goes to green, and so on. The only thing that I did add was a black wire that ran from the tongue here at the front down the driver's side or the left side to that left tail light. That one's black, and the reason I ran it all the way down is I wanted a continuous ground from this ground wire that I'm crimping together right here. I just thought with the age of this trailer it would be smarter to have them directly connected together, the grounds, and it would make for the ease of troubleshooting, shall we say, later on down the line. So this is just where the ground's connected to the frame, and the black wire there is the ground that is going to feed both of the tail lights. I'm going to run the black wire down the driver's side with the yellow and the brown wire. And again, that way they tie directly into that rear tail light, and then I only have to splice one more ground piece across the bumper of the trailer into the right-sided tail light. And yes, no job would ever be complete without either duct tape or zip ties. And in my case, I use zip ties to actually fasten the wire harness to the bottom side of the trailer, and it worked like a charm. Now, this particular day that I put everything together, I was in such a big hurry, I only used wire nuts, and I did not get footage of me going back out and actually using connectors to put the wires together. So just know that they are done properly now, but in a pinch, wire nuts will actually get the job done. So this is where I was saying I connected my initial ground wire from the front tongue, and then I also put another splice inside of there to go across to the right-sided tail light. And then if I have an issue with the short, it's going to be pretty limited to, one of 3 points, either the lights or up at the tongue. Now on my particular tail lights, there was only 2 bolts on the back. Because of the wood frame, a little MacGyvering had to happen, but thanks to my neighbor Randy, he made this a total piece of cake. Alrighty then, I want to thank y'all for stopping by. Have an absolutely wonderful and blessed week, and I'll see you next time. Take care.